magical tomato recipes. Hello, welcome to Gussied Up. Today we are making a farmer's market gazpacho, which is all the flavors of summer, bright, light, so fresh, perfect for any of those like high heat summer months. You're gonna love this recipe because there are good gazpachos and then there are great gazpacho recipes. So starting with 2 cucumbers, I picked these up at my local farmer's market. Just peel that down, cube them up, and throw them in your blender. Then we're putting in 1 red pepper. Just throw that in. An onion. Your blender is gonna do most of the work, but you do just wanna help it along. So really large cuts on everything so that it can get going. You don't wanna add any liquid to this. You want every bit of flavor coming from all of your gorgeous vegetables. You need 2 pounds of tomatoes. Just cut your tomatoes in half, core them, then cube them. Give them a little push, and then we're gonna put in about another tomato. You can reserve the rest of that tomato for dicing. I put a little bit of diced tomato and cucumber. I stir that back into my gazpacho so that there is some texture in this gorgeous cold soup. You're also gonna add in some more flavor. This is roasted garlic cloves. Use 4 cloves of roasted garlic or a teaspoon of granulated garlic. I use this tomato paste to concentrate the tomato flavor. It's a really, really good hack if you don't have great tomatoes, but still wanna make gazpacho. So just turn it on. So now that it's all chopped up, 2/3 of a cup of olive oil, just drizzle it in. And you're gonna notice the color changes. It almost looks like you've added cream, but it's not. It's just emulsified oil. All right, we're ready. So the blender does an incredible job. I always finish this soup by straining it. You strain it, you season it, you chill it, and we're done, y'all. It's just such an easy, gorgeous way to use up all of those fresh veggies. You all, while I am working out all these skins and seeds, let me break into a little straining song. I'm singing in the strain, just singing in the strain. I love to get any nibblings out. I'm singing in the strain. Everybody now, sing. Everybody now, singing in the strain.
If we're gonna join in.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
No, it's not. Okay, here we go. Look at that. So that's just like skins and seeds right there. And the strainer made that extra smooth. 1 tablespoon of salt. And then we chill this little angel down. If you like it spicy, and I do, I add a little pinch of red pepper flakes. Just really like a little wee pinch. Okay, and then stir that in. Now we just need to chill this for 2 hours and we're ready to eat. The soup has chilled and we can try it. Look at how pretty she is. Okay. So I also have some cubed up tomatoes and some little diced cucumbers. I put those on the top for texture. This is a little yellow tomato. And you just kind of drop them, about a tablespoon of each, onto the top so that your soup has some texture when you're eating it. We're really just making it look pretty. And then I'll finish with a little bit of olive oil, just a little drizzle over the top. Just a couple of drips, like, oh yes. And then some little herbs. It's too pretty to eat almost. It's like a celebration of summer in a bowl. And now let's try it. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. Ooh, it's so creamy and so tangy. I'm getting a little bit of heat from those red pepper flakes, and then all of my diced tomatoes and the fresh cucumber diced up make it so that there's some texture. So it really feels like a little bit hearty as well as light. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time on Gussied Up. I love this recipe. I'm telling you, even if you think you don't like gazpacho, this is a gazpacho for you. It's so good. I might just drink it.
No, don't drink it.
Cut. 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 drink this.
Cut.